Hello viewers, you are watching Jungle and I am Hadi Jalo. Today we came all the way to Brufut to grace this wonderful occasion. It's an initiative brought by the people of Brufut. What they do is help the residents of Brufut with health. It's a combination of both people in the Gambia and also Brufut people in the diaspora. And also the healthcare center. So what we do is let's go together and hear from the president, the vice president, and also some members of the group. And we would also love to hear from the natives and residents of Brufut themselves. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa balbe kontonal tolnal kontonala ka fale ko alba Jungle online TV le jibe kan annal badi malon hadijalo bidu natale jam Brufut ka nying kana ñing programme ma be mi yalon ko Brufut kol le ñing fenko na fe nan pour ka Brufut kol ma koy jata kende yato cause mbi yalon ko jata kende yato mu fenneti mi yalon ko akuma yata bakale so itol they came with this initiative itol mi yalon ko dolbe Gambia anin dolbe diaspora pour ka ñunu mol ma ko mi yalon ko Brufut so mbadi ngam min kala do wolon nata ñola nga moy ila president no mil soto mol ye anin ñim mol fango mi yalon ko basterim Brufut de ñing ko je ñaati le ala baraka. Assalamu alaikum. Bella Fila, to formally and the position you have in the association.
Mtetomu Dr. Bojaneti, Ntelamu Brufut Healthcare Association or la president.
Okay, nata je bi alba boro di kang molla the residents of Brufut. So lafta kalone. Who came up with the idea of bringing this association? Like how did it came about and everything?
Okay, so the idea for this association kabiling ntela ngaje ko Brufut jarala siata jan doctorol bijanne nosol bijang minika yelol cheki bijang so nata fa nyokanko siata janne andum Brufutun kol min bijang fana yagelo ko minisula ta jaralo la siata le so what about ngana nyokan ngagibe mbe mol mako no la nyami because nyimbe buka ke no loptan koot yo fali bolol di mola boldi yo da mata fal ni mole kacha so lat na ninging idea nata like 2003 pour nga na nyo kan ngajibe nyamin ndol fana benna sate mako la nyami ha.
So is this the first edition wala alnene yakale nung so maybe this is the second or the third?
No, seluna nga start seluna nga ke and selung nga dula sabaleke selung santosu aning school Brufut primary school pour sate ba konon kolu and then sanchaba pour sanchaba kolu so selung nga mol minge 40 years and above momo sanjo mi yalon ko be sangi tanan katawe santola nga woleje andu nga boro li bela la chew so selung nga mo 400 mo kemenani nga wolege so nyinang mbake kan dulalu leto santosu sate ba kono nyaflen bi soma bitala wulin kama andu sinin bita sankeba so nyinsilo mbe like mo 800 legela mo kemesei ha nyinsilo fanan ka folo ko mbe mo mi yalke sanjo be sangita nan katawe santola bara be tambika wola dol bije bina kan jay be sanji moane lulu problem mo lebe ban tol baka mo bunde mo nata ron ke jele nganta bolu mi sotola ngodi.
So since nyinen second time moti saying ka compare between this year and last year kabral yake improvements juma wala keta comme improvements juma ide wala je ni yalon ka keta
well improvement min keta last year ndol fangol na kodo bondi nga nyin sponsor mfangole na kodo bandani nga bolo mindi mula imansia dol bije lokun fula do bije lokun saba karu fanga masi so improvement ba min kete disia wolo nyinti ko nga sponsorship shoto mo jamale bulo kono mba start la bintu silala not bintu sila bintu silbe atemu santo sun quality la siya ta fane bol jamale din ninam fana ay wo bol jamale din so ni wata ge Brufut diaspora association Brufut ngol mi yalan ko Brufut dingol lemu ko be nyin tubabu du banko leto wol fane kodo la nyokan min tata fo wuli keme ya dinna pour nga nga pour nga sang borol la mo jamal fana mbije sarung tul fang len da samul nin kontonke mo jama fana mbije nginang bari ya kalamta nyami mbake da sama ko fana mambatande kamara kundan kol bije ne gata kundan kol bije be kono fate domroke so be m kula de mi yalan ko sarum ma so tuno nginang wori so tuno so nginang fana nginang ka boro min di molla akata fa karfula dole bije yele siya bol killing do bije boru fula bari fo bol killing fo boru fula lamba ni yele siya bol ita mari sula taala nginan ka karfula le dila bala dim borol fana bije la nyin jusi jani borol fana bije ni infection borol le bije so compared to selu ni nginan ba min ke ka wala siya tawo
there are some difficulties you face. So it as the president of the association with the members because so how do you tackle with the members in the association because killing and so you as the leader is there any challenges you are facing when it comes to your people?
Yeah, definitely come like ya fa nyaming nyama ni mulba do kola fali ya domando man ñofe fali ñu ñori so yalon kafo kon tolbe mu kebalti mo jama ben kon sa fo kafo la 95% obe mu amen mobe ni la dimba yalom so do bije min ka ke kuoti challenge la ke time wala ka ke challenge because nteti jang ndol kono mo jama alti jang be tamadulale doli bijang so pour kamit ka kuol fo ka ke challenge jolti ba do bije nga group of ko nga whatsapp group of finance tele so do bije nga whatsapp group ka advantage sa wala sa ko nga kuol kacha but jama ngaje committee no manke no because mantana no nyokan nka advantage ta wo whatsapp group nyina to so nka sa cool ka chawot ban jama ka ke amin ka kana laban so ne ala lo
so how about the people you are giving medicine coming alcohol mean screen purka borol dealer for sometimes albuka difficulties so when it comes to those people
well mbika difficulties so when it comes to those people ntenga amin kontere gero wala mnyinti fang molu fang molu fango nte mantara against come like ka foko kana mofin boro min o mofin boro mu kulete mi yalon ko nta fang kamin come like konne jalten mofin boro nke men ban mbike min back ban ntenga minge molla ko ta manke ko mol malon ko yele siya belal amanke ko mol malon ko sukur kuranga belal yalon ne ka belale so ni nata nya yelo katal siyarin baba kel yelo mo jama bije yelo katal siyarin baba kel so ntele challenge mi mintu wala mi nyintu ko on tolla challenge mi mintu wala mi nyintu ko nyim mol mi yalon ko yele siya bela suku kuna bela pour ye boro luta ye boro tay kana fo nyoy ko mo fi tuba boro bula tuba boro ka nyinde ke tuba boro ka aka nyinde ke ndebe molbe dans la minna wala mi nyintu ko ni ko yele siya bela yele siya ta khade ma dingo do bi yele siya katalele ka balu fa sangi tan konon khade ma dingo do bi e sukul kuranga bele ka balu fa sangi keme amanke ko faybe tuba budula bam faybe janna bang boro kan ni ko wota nyama ko do be kuto wote sotol ngana ko ku na ya la mo kan ala la mulkan right ba ko do fana bije fana fonga ma koy nyimburu jaala do mol ning ntata fono le moy kanam buro do bari ya tala because mburo ko kono jaale mano fana ta fono le moy ya kana do ma do mo do bari ya kanye min do mol bari wo mu problem bale ti jam mol ya lon ko kuranga bela bari buka borota wala mun na challenge oti amanke ko dol bije ni na ta jang ko nga dol kabrin seru ka fanya ko kabrin seru ngale boro min dina han sa mam boro min anda manya na ka ke wonya ninga borol dia laftal nim borol bantale kontinale borol ta
okay baraka bake afternoon 12 seater okay good afternoon sir. I would like you to say hello to the viewers and tell us your position in the association.
Okay, good afternoon viewers. I am Dr. Bakari Toure, Brufut. Yes, my position, I'm also part of the executive committee, but also as advisor also in the executive committee.
Okay. As the advisor of the association, if you were to tell people how the association came about until you became advisor, because everything has a starting. When it started, how it started, and how everything came about.
Okay, alhamdulillah. So before the association was launched or established, Dr. Bojang she was the one that came with the idea that Burfoot has a lot of health workers, and then Burfoot also as a community is big. We have people with a lot of health problems, so it would be wise that all health workers come together and we form an association, and this organization can support the health center of the community, and also see how best we can also reach out to people to help them in terms of their health complaints. And then a WhatsApp page was set up, and people started telling the information to each other. We put our numbers, so we started having the conversation. Then we made the executive. So I was lucky to be part of the executive. So when the executive also was set, so the executive will come up with constitution, proposals on how the association can be formalized, to be standardized. So we did all that. Now we have the executive. We also have the general member. Whatever the executive discussed, it will be transmitted to the general members page. So that's how it came about, until we came to the conclusion that we will work with the Burfoot Health Center, but we also want to form ourselves, because we are health care workers, to reach out to the community and to sensitize them, especially to sensitize them on some of these non-communicable diseases like diabetes and hypertension. So last year we did one workshop like this, and then this year also is like this is the second episode. Yeah, so that's how the thing started until we are here today.
Okay, to your point, to your observation, comparing last year and this year, do you think you made improvements on everything you're doing, or what?
Yes. So we have made great improvement. Last year, we have volunteers, but the number of volunteers this year is more than the one we had last year. Even when it comes to consultation, we had only a few people to consult, but this year we have a lot of consultation stations. That is very good. And also the amount of medication we have this year is more than what we had last year. And the support we had this year also is more. So it's like the message is going wide. A lot of people are aware of the organization now, and a lot of support also is coming, even though we need more, but more support have reached us this time than last year. Yeah.
You as the advisor, what kind of challenges do you face when it comes to dealing with the people, your president, the vice, and because the association consists of a lot of people and from different backgrounds, from different kind of homes. So you as the advisor, how do you tackle those kind of stuffs? Like, are you facing any challenges when it comes to that?
Okay. I would say no. Like a challenge that could be significant, no. Because whatever comes, we discuss it as a team. So my role as advisor is just simply sometimes, let's say, for example, when it comes to this health fair, okay, we might need certain medications for certain things. So, okay, when people suggest, maybe I can also throw in and say, okay, no, but let's change it this way, or let's make it this way. You understand? Yeah, so whatever we discuss is like a teamwork. So whatever I say will be just to add on to what has been said, or just to modify certain things. Yeah, but there was not a point that we say, okay, I cannot do this, or I don't know what to say, or I say something, somebody say, no, we cannot do it. So we work as a team. Yeah.
Okay, so is this opportunity only limited to the residents of Burfoot, or people outside can join?
Okay, well, basically it is for Burfoot healthcare workers, so, and that is the name. But today we have the Monday we had one doctor that we invited that is not in Burfoot, came to help us, and we also had another doctor that is here with us. Paul is a white man. He's also here. He was here yesterday, and he's also here today to support. So we welcome anybody anywhere to join us and support us. But the organization is for native people who are native in Burfoot, because these are the people that are residents, these are the people that can be on the ground to do the ground works. But it's not limited to only Burfoot people. Anybody, anywhere who is a healthcare worker, or even if you are not a healthcare worker, but you can help us in different ways, because we need financial help, moral help, psychological help, and whatever help that is available. Everybody is welcome.
Thank you.
You're very welcome. Thank you.
Hello, I would like you to tell the viewers who you are and the position you have in the association.
Oh, well, my name is Sidi Danso. Currently, I'm resident in Seattle, the United States. This association just started 2023, and we feel there is a need and a vacuum in the community, and we got to find a way that we can also support as we look at the different issues that have been going on within the country or within our community here. Thank goodness, we are blessed in so many ways. Some of us are in the healthcare for the last 15, 16 years. So the little knowledge that we have, that we feel it is necessary to come home and see how best we can help in the community. There is, like I said, there is a whole lot of need. This was started last year as far as the community outreach, and they did it in 4 different locations within the community here, community of Brufut. And this year it's an additional location, so a total of 5. So we are hoping that as the years go by, we will grow from strength to strength. That way we can cover as many places as possible to provide as much service as we possibly can. So we are very, very grateful and thankful to the people who have actually contributed, especially buying the medications to help out the people. And some other people have contributed to our breakfast and lunch, so we are grateful to them as well, because we need the energy to keep going. So this is we are hoping that with this publicity, when we plan on doing it next year, a whole lot more people will come in and support the project. Hopefully we can skip even 6, go to 7 or 8 or 9 locations, because several people will come in and say we don't even know that this is happening, because Brufut is so large now compared to when we were here. It's so large now, so to cover all the areas it's going to take a while, but with the generosity of people, hopefully we will expand it even more and add additional services as we want, because most of the things are dependent on the funds that you get, that you can provide the medications and then provide all the services that you can get. If it is beyond our capacity, we just pretty much hand it to or give referral to government institutions that have the capacity to help in that regard. So we are very grateful to the volunteers. We are very grateful to people who have donated, either large or small, and we're grateful to associations who have also, especially all this. There is Nyafulin Association. They've given us, I think, 5,000 yesterday. Kombo Yirua Kafo gave us 8,000, and so many other people have contributed, and we are very, very grateful for that. Yes.
Okay, so I want to know what motivated you to join the association, because there are a lot of things you could have joined yourself into, but you choose this. Why this?
Well, they said I'm healthcare providers. I am an oncology nurse in Seattle, at the University of Washington in Seattle, for the last 15, 16 years now. So when the call comes from Dr. Bojang, it's only natural for me to be a part of it. As a native of Brufut, born and raised here, it's only because I traveled and then I live there now. So it's only natural for me to be a part of it. Giving back to the community, giving back to the society that has given you so much. So if you are privileged enough to be in that position, it's always very important to go back to those that community, to give the knowledge that you have to better, the health, to improve the health, to see, that because there is a whole lot of need, and you don't, as an individual, you don't have the capacity to help all those people. But when you come as a unit, as a collective, then it's a lot easier to provide the services that we're providing right now.
So I would like you to mention some of the challenges you are facing as a member of the association.
The challenges, it's because we live in different locations, some are in Europe, some are in America, some are in some part of in the Gambia. So difficulty is getting together, although you can use Zoom, but the connection is a problem. So getting everybody together can be challenging, and also getting the funds, because we all know how challenging things are for pretty much most of the people. So getting funds from people can be a little bit challenging. So we are grateful for the people who have actually donated, and then we are asking for more as the years go by. So those are some of the challenges, getting people to be a part of it, and also people having the time to actively participate, and also getting the funding. So we are always hopeful that as the years go by, a lot more people will see that we are doing some good, and then they will contribute as far as the medications, because you can clearly tell that there is a need, because all these people are sitting, and especially that we are not asking for a penny from any of them, so that goes a long way in improving the health of the people. So this is a clear manifestation that there is a need, because if there wasn't a need, all these people wouldn't be here. So obviously there is a need. So there is always that, because the other thing too is it makes you feel good, like you're doing something good. You are blessed, and then through that blessing, you're trying to bless other people with the knowledge that God has given you, with the experience that you have, so that some people can at least have some alleviation, they can have some improvement in their health and the service that they receive.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi ba mbala fila yeto fo jiber lale.
Ndoto kemo mane.
Okay ba binata ngetere jang rangoto pour ka nyimboro receive. Ite ni association ye ne comme se mone fono gali ani yela boru ko di nya yaje nyaadile.
Ndi se wata bak. Kunne ngani mo kun ngula role mona de ya ko ni sum bordi dal bina salkira to jam. Ni atra mem sulate mako le sina mabe. Wala mabe ndi jam. Medu association ni falsi ma koy ilafta jatte ken ya mi sabat banko kan falsi futani inshallah.
Itala miraro do fa amre kany min keteng momo dingo ding bata dami nyanta ka ke wala nyama
wala banku ding kendiyate e wata banko min kan o mo ni ko kayta soto min ngalon ko min be ko ni sifa kana o fe o banko ko kumara bak inshallah
ñin mol mi yalon ko ke mako ele because yale ya fole ko comme e ka bandi la ko do la lasi e ka brika bardi se mo dol soto mi yalon ko wole ke mako comme ka ko dol dila aninka borol dila e be muna fola ñim mol mi yalon ko e be la ko dol bandi kanne pour ñin ka je ko ñim mol mi yalon ko e ba buru fudde ba jata ken ya soto kan e ba borol fana sanke e muna soto pour ka fo moli
duwala o moli bak ñi soto se momento fa la so wala fa asa ketil fa shima bata nin jata ken ya asembo apota sembo min do fa sembo la fa kende ke inshallah
yo baraka ba assalamu alaikum bala fela yeto fo mali ani la role groupe o nyinto
nde to mun nawa daboleti wala mol ka fanya zamba ami ante mu community health nurse attendance la de mbadu ko la Brufut Health Center the same time ba community kono dalam di team o timu yalan ko ba diaspora ngol mun ba diaspora yenin organize ndalla muy la junior ndalla be no kanke ma koy ke sembento ya
so inin alni ñi mol min ka do ko mi yalon ko ba diaspora le yeje nyaadi le la do ko ñoya diata le fo alka challenge sotole fo ikal batandile o wasifa
well nten ni la do ko mo ala tentu balti la do ko ya tinna nga kujama bakeri wokata nya kayra ku baate mu yalla ngo nenema mi la ko bi basila ni meta la explore la nata yaje ko identa kanna pour kana kanna sate ma koy ngatandi ko we are Brufut people, we are not mon politique gibe nga jibe ko ngatandi ko na sate mun na sate lete politique kutu je nin sate ni ngado kum fawle ni ngati nya fawle mumba kala politique wala ka wala ngojen kendira nga sti ngante siti nga sate do ko ulo mun na kayro tija because nyaaje ka futa nyoka imam politique jibe ibe ka tanga ne kelen woti ni nku wota fo ya start last year woto ngane kelen wolom ya gel ko Brufut is our Brufut amanke mota tin talatam ko sila sate ni ara dai mara da mo ya dai fa le sate fana ni atinya imati nya mo ya tinya fa ka ne ta takeri ifata ila dimba ya lima madu wolle batata ne mo kon woto mbe de ngane clean na ngana sate da nga samba nyato nga som nyola kumola nga mbe den kan nga nyola idea kilinta
comme ko last year la commencé so ite improvements juma ya wala jami alon ko ni nyanta ka compare between last year and in this year is there any improvements made this year compared to the last year mi alon ko ali commencé
there is improvement because last year na starting prunga mall gada it was difficult mall natale well but man na nyama because ko mu starting neti man fahamuro la mankije because society to ni pour ka do ko ke community is very difficult bari faham bali yalo ka modul bi ne mum faham pour ye finti ka kolya so last year nga fo dolele pour na ma be man na isita but this year biri nga announce nga fo anata ke dole nyanto to katandi ko nille ni aje banin ke kam pour fur la nyato talo aninna mfa wala jata kendi a Kenya lo because nan nata diga na mun keten ita bol sanna e muka fensan nke chegle mum la problem mo nga boro dila ne yanda tala foda nga fo yanda e ba boro tala but after 1 week get a proof leptanol to ye check ni yanda continue ne manya ka continue isa continue balia but en katandi dole fana la ko ni nata borta fana na nela yelo selata wala sukuro selata ya mexo e kata checkin na ya kela nyantoti pour nata la ke sensitize la pour ya kela nyantoti saje ye wakili leptan tala because dole bije bi ngeje anin kunun ko nin kunun wo dole mu kata leptan nafa anu la condition o cingta bakel kondi sasa be la mu yalan ko sasa e babatare ne bari man ko le bonde nyoto so la ni programme waya tandi left kan ku jama bonde mo le nyoto abatin na fana mo jama ba hanila kan naki leptano la ni leptano la importance ibalo na wala to
okay comme ya fa nyami dol bi jemini yalon ko sasa ke mutara bare pour kata l'hôpital da ka kol ya quality so ite o mol ni nyanta ke advice what will you tell them because yalon mo won ni jang ela jata kende is really important and we should not play with it bare jang Gambia comme ka jere ko comme ngal l'hôpital no buka kuma yandi bake comme nga mo fi mboro le gena fengen mom buka fuko comme imanyanda ka mo fi mboro min but going to the hospital is should be a duty upon every individual because ila health is really important yeah so ite ba mune so la ka fo mu nyimol mi yanon ko kata l'hôpital ko aka collier bulu bakele
wolom tende ka mum foye because nka health talk kala nke sin ngamun tandi la ko ila nyanto lon pour eta l'hôpital to bor mo fi mboro ma against nga foye ko ne iba min na ne sa min ya min bari ya make so ne ba min na ya min because mo fi mboro ko ba nyami ne ba min kay mu ka nanga molo fa abetia fa seleta fa mansele fa ajita fa manji woto na bo nyama ne ba min ka ya min trifla sabanja akate futa leptano ni e check ne ko e manana ka borta is fa na ya jibe ko e boro stop ba ne ko nyanta yele boro min isa continue le boro o leptano ko li advice mun e wakil because abanya min dol bi sa ko dol mum bela ani ka mun dante ka different so ngaji ne tan leptano to ye i check je mum bela yalo ise fon kanta yela dimbayal kanta tan yela manto jama kanta so ko le tanti la ko ye la nyanto lon puru ye finti ila sasa ya dante sasa ne ma awafi imuka santa soto ni de afe so ma kanetal tora oto sasa na bela awafi puru santa e soto santa mum ba sanna so ma o mariwa aba mun na falete balete mariwa molo o dalura tin nan ke sensitize ka foy ila nyanto mum munti nyanta mun kala yake
yo baraka bake
ndelam Dr. Bojang afele kotenke nata donation dole soto kotenke comme like nga fale nyame nyimu kulati sate be kulam sate be le bulo fay nyoka afele sa nata donation soto modole bulu ka fumi sidia jeite kana fay jabi sidia jeite ndefo kelo woti so wala nata mol donate nang $5,000 la kabo USA sidia fanambe USA le so anata ga fanan wala ma fanan contribution of the people kana kamul ma koy so sidia mba fule abaraka bake so anim fana hani sa be sula ding donation olale momo mi alon ko anya ka lafta kan donate amari say ase ason donate no la hani sa because boro ni wol kuma yatel so momo mi alon ko alafta kan donate amari say Gaston Mendy contact Gaston na number mu 3990754 3990754 yo ala baraka bak.
Okay, viewers, this is what we had for you here. We all heard what the president said and some members of the association, and also we have a father of us who also talked on behalf of Brufut, and we heard what he said. Okay, but still there's still room for improvement because these people are still looking for donations. If you can help, please reach out to them because we all know health is wealth and health is what we need. And also saying this is a big milestone for the community of Brufut, and also advising other communities to be doing this, because this is the Gambia we need. We need to help each other because it all starts from within. Badi ngo coming afale nyami rek bi nakale jam Brufut le mbe ya moy la president ya fa nyami ani modol mi yalon ko ba association nyin kono bara hadi fa samba fale la ko rek mi mo mondi yalon ko lafta kama ko rokele pour ñu molla ise reach out to them because ngajele ko e kam ngeten abetiata bakal because jata kandiam mu fenete mi yalon ko be soltala le mom moy jata kandiya soto wole katena ye kudol kenon so ni nga soto mol mi yalon ko e ba parerin pour ka mol ma ko la jata kandiya la abetiata bakal but yalon everything mu symbol so philanthropy soul and some good Samaritans, you can reach out to them ali donate. But if I fale ko Alba Jungle Online TV le jibe kang and the jungle is here for everybody. Any occasion ale means that I love the jungle yenana ngaleje, don't hesitate to reach out to us. We are on YouTube, TikTok, Facebook and Instagram. We educate, entertain and do a whole lot of things. So badingon ba fale ka baraka bakelo for wati koteng. Bye bye.